Hey, my beauty. Here I go with this. I am trying to come up with a better intro other than that. I am sick of saying that, and I'm sure you guys are sick of hearing me say it. So, hey, this is Chrissy Marie, and I'm coming to you guys with this look. This is the first Valentine's Day look of 2019 that I am doing for you all, and I'm coming straight out of the matte book palette from the Crayon case. If you have watched my first video from the palette or using that palette, you guys know I was highly discouraged, and I have all like you guys under that video, and my boyfriend and everyone else just encouraged me because I'm telling y'all, I was feeling highly discouraged. But I gotta thank you all for being so encouraging down in the comment section of that video. Thank you all so much. But yeah, I'm coming to you guys with this gorgeous look. I forgot to pop on some bottom mascara, so I'm gonna do that. Obviously it's not going to be in the video, but I'm going to do that actually for my pictures because I definitely forgot to do so. And yeah, let's get right into the look. So coming straight out of the matte palette, you know, I was scared of this palette a tutorial ago, but now I'm not. So my transition shade, I'll be taking this taking this burgundy shade right here and putting it in my transition or on top of that transition color and on my outer V. But a clean blending brush and just blending out the top. Now I'm going to be taking my flat brush and my Color Pop concealer, and I'm going to be cutting out my eye. Cutting out my eye. Cutting out my crease. I'm making it a thick crease this time, purposely. Cut that crease and let it dry. So I'm going to be taking the white color in this palette, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. Then with this pink shade, which is the lightest pink, I'm going to pack this shade onto my eyelid and in my inner corner on top of that white. My brush, and I'm just going to do a half wing like I did with this eye. And taking the same burgundy shade I used for the inner corner, I'm going to just pack that color on top of the concealer. So we're going to take some NYX and craft glitter and put it on our eyelids and see how this actually works out. I'm going to take MAC liner, which is in the color Beet, and I'm going to put this on the waterline. After that, I'm going to take the pink shade, the bright pink shade, and put it on my bottom lash really close. After taking that bright pink shade, I'm going to just take a brush and blend out . Alright beauty, so after having so much trouble with my eyelashes, I'm going to pop on some glitter or shimmer for a highlight. And then I'm going to pop on a MAC Petal Power Mineralized Blush. It is a pink shimmer. Lips today, I'm going to take Beet, MAC Beet, MAC The Pink Print, and Anastasia Danity. So here's the finished look. I absolutely love it, and this glitter came out bomb. I wasn't going to do the glitter at first, and then I glanced over at it like, I haven't used you, girl, so I'm gonna have to use you. I don't think I ever done like actual glitter on my channel actually, but it definitely came out bomb. If you guys recreate this look, make sure you tag me in it. Make sure you follow all my social medias, and if you have not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Why is this camera not focusing on me? I am so over it.